Good morning, all of you. Today I'm going to teach you somatoform disorder. Somatoform disorder is a kind of neurotic disorder. Somatoform disorder, these are a group of disorder characterized by the presence of physical symptoms that suggest a medical condition. They include somatization disorder, conversion disorder, and hypochondriasis. If we are talking about what is the etiology of somatoform disorder, then we can say that biological factor. Somatization disorder has been reported to have a neuropsychological basis. Cognitive impairment along with cytokinins abnormalities have been implicated. Second is psychological factors. Somatoform disorder patient may use their symptoms as a means of social communication. If we are talking about the clinical features of somatoform disorder, then we can see that somatization disorders clinical feature, this present with multiple somatic complaints like nausea, vomiting, and shortness of breath, difficulty with swelling, difficulty with swallowing, pain in the extremities, feeling of choking, and menstruation complaints. If we are talking about the sign and symptoms of conversion disorder, then we can see this is characterized by the presence of one or more neurological symptoms which can't be explained medically. Sensory symptoms include anesthesia and paresthesia, deafness and blindness may occur. Motor symptoms include weakness, paralysis, and abnormal movement such as tremors and jerk. If we are talking about hypochondriasis, then we can see this is characterized by fever of having a serious bodily disease. This briefly persists despite all investigations are normal. Uh, if we can see what is the differential diagnosis in between somatoform and other disease, then we can differentiate with SLE, thyroid disorder, AIDS, myasthenia gravis, and multiple sclerosis. Then what is the course and prognosis of somatoform disorder? Somatization disorders runs a chronic debilitating course and worsen during period of stress. About 75% of patients with conversion disorder may not experience another episode. The course of hypochondriasis is usually episodic and exacerbation may not occur during period of stress. The treatment of neurotic disorders are psychotherapy, behavior therapy, hypnotherapy, yoga and meditation, and pharmacotherapy. Then, if we are talking about the pharmacotherapy, then what kind of medicines we can use? Then we can give these kind of medications like alprazolam is effective in dose 1 to 6 mg per day, imipramine dose 150 to 300 mg per day in panic disorders. If we are talking about social phobia, then we can use propranolol. If we are talking about post traumatic stress disorder, then we can use imipramine, and we can use clomipramine in obsessive compulsive disorder as 150 to 300 mg per day. If we are talking about generalized anxiety disorder, then requires longer treatment like benzodiazepines. Thank you.